Boy, epic unboxing numero wow, those basically the same story as last time. I've been waiting a week for this, checking like if it's been delivered every time I could. Now it's here, and I'm afraid I'm going to damage it because I don't know how to open this. Guess I'll just fast forward this in post. Alright, here we go. A receipt. Stuff. And I guess, yeah, stuff. This stuff goes mildly explosive. Is it in here? Is it in here? Mineral oil. Wait, this is it? It's not under mineral oil? Where's this at? Oh, that's my 100 milligrams of platinum in there. Look at that. It's tiny, but it's actually, it's not like a grain of sand, it's actually like a mild amount. I don't know how to, I mean, is it visible? Yeah, I can't tell if this is visible. Okay, my dad just walked in and I didn't know how to react, so I just stopped the video. It's the first. Anyway, sodium probably will explode when it touches water. This is supposedly 10 grams. I mean, I haven't weighed it, but it probably is. I trust the company. I left an amazing review that, I mean, you can probably find it. Anyway, yeah. I might put this in water and upload it at some point. Maybe later. My tiny bit of platinum, but I think that's actually the coolest one here. But, I mean, I showed my dad the stuff while he was here, and he thought it was he was disappointed because of how small it is, but I mean, it's platinum. I can say own platinum now. Even though it's 100 milligrams, it's more than 0. So, that's the important part. The important part. Anyway, this is tin, which is, according to the thing I learned from, it's really soft, which worries me because I generally suffer from an affliction of the butterfingers. I've dropped both my aluminum and my tungsten. The tungsten, in that case, damaged the floor of the school where it was. Alright, this is editing. Yeah. I thought it would just be relevant to demonstrate how destructive the tungsten cube can be when dropped, even at a very low distance. For example, this is a stack of index cards. Most people should know what index cards are. These is like, I mean, it's not exactly soft, but watch this high. Not very high. I mean, yeah. That's a hole. Like these are solid index cards. So yeah, you get and at school that was dropped from like what 4 feet up. So and it was linoleum flooring, this sometimes sticky standard stuff. So I'm pretty sure you can imagine how damaging that would be. Actually, it's quite shiny. It's gonna tarnish so soon. My hands are sweaty. But look at that boy. Look at that reflectiveness. Shiny. Shiny. This costed $20. Next, zinc. Looks just as shiny, but apparently doesn't tarnish and was cheaper and is more pure. And it's slightly blue. I guess that's cool. I mean, it probably won't show up on camera because. Alright, safety scissors. Rip open this stupid plastic packaging. Insert joke. Yeah. Okay, I actually kind of have an issue with something. I'm not sure how heavily to edit this because this is just kind of boring on its own, but if I edit too much, it doesn't feel right because I don't know what I'm doing. I don't feel like I am talking to a camera very well. I don't feel confident, really. I run out of something to talk about too quickly. Feels like most of the funny comes in editing, which I'm still not very good at anyway, but I'm learning. Oh, wow, I really just managed to actually talk about random crap for enough time to get this open. Anyway, 99.99% pure. This is a heckin' shiny boy. And the tin is already tarnished. Bruh. Okay, well. Woohoo! I'm gonna put the sodium in water later today, probably. Yeah. What should I talk about? Wow, the camera. I just realized you can't see the half of my face with the camera angle. You can definitely tell I'm an absolute professional, huh? The zinc is already shinier than the tin, dude. Wow. I should have, the zinc though. The reflectiveness of these, man. Look at that. Where's my face? Oh, look. That's my camera setup. Hold on. It's Mr. Stuffed Hamster. So that's my phone. Oh, I don't know what it's called, like the infinite thing effect. And we have the belly of the stuffed hamster, and that's my camera setup. This is working. This is so stupid. Stupid. Okay, it's now 2 hours later. I'm going to try to put sodium in water. You can't see the water, hold on. Yeah, there you go. Now, I'm pretty sure you're supposed to use gloves for this, but I don't have gloves, so I'm just going to be using toilet paper. I need to put the camera somewhere. Give me a moment. Okay. So I chopped off a bit there through the plastic vacuum pack because sodium is really soft. I did it with my fingernail. I'm going to squeeze it out onto the paper. Make sure it doesn't touch my finger because moisture. Alright, here it is. It's probably like about 0.2 grams. Oh boy. Okay. Whoa! Whoa! It's fizzing! It's not exploding, but it's fizzing really loudly. You cannot see that well. I'll just get another video. Test number 2, just because. Sodium chunk.
Professor Goose here. I think I know what's happening. So the sodium going off in water, you can see it's fizzing and boiling, or the bubbles are boiling. Editor, you have to, which the editor, which is me, you have to like show a photo of the bubbles. So that's because sodium's boiling point. I'm gonna Google this real quick. Is wait, what? No, melting point, not boiling. Yeah. Give me a second. Yeah, so sodium's melting point is only 208 Fahrenheit, or 97, or approximately 98 Celsius, which is, lower than the melting point, or boiling point of
Stupid.
water. And if the water's boiling, that means the sodium is at melting. And, because, surface tension, I think, and something involving how the water's pretty much, when it boils, it expands. I'm guessing it's pushing on the sodium and turning it into a ball. And, the sodium is probably a liquid by now because of how hot, so, again, another OSHA violation. I put a tiny bit of water on a piece of sodium, then touched it, and it was already warm from maybe 100 microliters of water. No, less than that, but you get the point. So, yeah.
It actually exploded. That was actually scary. I should not do this. Alright, so I'm pretty sure I can't upload this sodium video without making a safety precaution part, because YouTube says that this is probably classified as a dangerous act, because you should not do it. Okay, where's my script for this? Right, so don't do this. Sodium, I listed all the OSHA violations. Not way less than all of them, just way more, but because I'm not OSHA, I don't know. Anyway, so don't do that because it's bad. I actually could have had a serious issue. Well, what's next? Don't do this, and also just in case someone decides to, YouTube decides to yell at Luciteria Science for selling a 13-year-old this, I should have read the safety instructions. Okay. Pretty sure the company that sold me this wasn't doing anything wrong intentionally. And also, so just as one thing. So I was storing the sodium there in my pocket, which is bad, and reacted with moisture in the air and created the corrosive side product, and it burned a hole through my jacket. So don't do that. My parents had a panic attack over how dangerous it was, and after getting focus. Why? Okay, there we go. So, something in Chinese, also danger, don't open. It's sodium. There it is, the danger chunk. Hold on. There's no option to flip the camera, so, danger. Don't put this in water unless you know what you're doing. Wow, this video is 2 minutes long. I hate this.